Hi there! Have you ever been looking for a tool to better map your team's processes or workflows? Ayanza's custom lists are here to help. Think of it like your ultimate workflow organizer. You break down work, like invoices, hiring, or even planning blog posts, into smaller, more manageable steps. It's like progress tracker designed exactly for the way you work. All right, let's dive in and see how it works. Let's say you want a better way to manage those incoming invoices. We will build a custom list just for that. First, hit that little plus sign to make your shiny new list. Let's call this one Invoice Tracker. Now, think about what info each invoice needs. Company, invoice number, amount, that due date you want to stay on top of. It's your choice which properties you would like to include. You can also choose either single or multi-choice options if you would like to categorize your invoices according to their type of costs, for example. Next, we customize those steps so they match your process perfectly. You can go with Ayanza's predefined options or create your own ones. For invoices, you will need something like new, processing approved, paid, and so on. Select if you would like your custom lists private or open for your whole company, and boom, list made. You have the flexibility to update or modify any details of your custom list anytime. Simply click on the cogwheel to explore a variety of options. Whether you need to edit the properties of item, rename them, or even create a unique template tailored to each item with all the necessary text or files. The choice is yours. You can also add placeholders for uploading documents such as invoices. Now, start adding in those invoices. Pop in those details and you are set up for smooth payment tracking. Need to change an invoice status? Just drag and drop. See? We just built a system that helps keeping those invoices flowing. Now, ready to streamline things for your HR team? Check this out. Just add all your job applicants and manage the whole hiring process with this. Imagine how much simpler finding your new colleagues becomes with this kind of organization. Hey, sales folks, take a look. You can build your own mini CRM in no time. Track leads, viewings, and celebrate those closed deals. Even your content team will love this. Ideas, writing, ready to post. Your whole content calendar is beautifully organized and everyone stays on the same page. Amazing thing is, you can turn almost anything into a custom list. Get creative and see how much more streamlined the work feels when everything has its place. Give it a try and you will love the organized workflow it brings.